Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to enable Department IDs on your Canon Copier. So this would be for if you wanted to restrict or limit a specific function or amount of pages, say like color prints and copies. This would be how you do it. So first you're going to need the IP address of the copier. You can find out how to get that below in the link in the description. Once you have the IP address, go ahead and type it into your web browser. You get a screen that looks something like this. If it asks for a username and password, the default username is administrator, and the password is 7654321. It could also be 1 through 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it asks for a manager ID and PIN, it should be 7654321 for both. So I'm going to hit login and go to settings, then registration and user management. Department ID management, and edit. You're going to check this box to enable Department IDs, and then if you want to allow black and white jobs from the printer and just restrict color, you can press this and that will make it work. If somebody prints in black and white, they won't get prompted for a code, otherwise you can leave that blank. And then go ahead and hit OK. It's going to have you log back in and go back into setting, then user management, and then department management. And here you're going to hit register new department. Go ahead and give it an ID number, and then a PIN number. And then here, if you want to limit the amount of pages for this user, you can do that here. Otherwise, if you leave it unchecked and set to 0, it will be unlimited. Okay, and that's it. That's how you set it up. If you want to set up more departments, you can do that here. You can also store the amount of prints. So if you want to run a report every month, you can store that and then clear the counts for the whole thing. Or if you want to do it individually for certain departments, you can do that here as well. When you go to the copier, you'll be prompted with a login screen. That'll be the department ID and PIN. And then for all of your computers that print to the machine, you will need to input the code as well. If you have users that don't need to be restricted, we've made a separate video on Windows authentication, so you can enter these codes straight into the print driver. This will mean on that computer, you don't have to enter the codes every time. We'll link that video in the description below as well. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.